2006 Sea Ray 52 Sundancer presented by Cast Off Yacht Sales. Have a beautiful custom table in the cockpit. Off to our port side, we have a refrigerator, wet bar above, ice maker over, flat screen TV, DVD player. We do have cockpit air conditioning and heat. Custom made captain's chair with flip up bolster and armrests. Raymarine screens replaced in 2023 with Raymarine autopilot as well. We have a bow thruster. Boat overall is in absolutely beautiful condition. Needs nothing. Take a step down below. Beautiful teak and holly steps. To our port side, we have some nice storage all over there. Back in this corner here is your washer dryer combo. Two nice sofas here. This one does pull out to become another sleeper there. Two benches under the table. Beautiful wide open galley. Dual burner cooktop stove, microwave convection oven. Hardwood floors. Off to our port, we have our dual bunks with flat screen TV. Take a step forward to our master stateroom. We have some great hanging lockers off the port and starboard side. Master head. Nice counter space. Nice large separate shower. And taking a walk back, we will go into the guest head. Guest head has access from the stateroom over there as well. Another separate shower.